Hello everyone, it's Bernina Jeff at High Fashion Sewing Machines and Quilt Shop in Grand Junction, Colorado. I am going to show you some new products from Madam Sew. We have a new seam guide ruler, which is really cool the way it works, and it comes with a magnetic seam guide. We have a set of gloves from Krista Quilts, Watson, I believe. And I bought these promotionally, so they are at about half price of what they used to sell for. And a really nice, inexpensive rotary cutter, so it'd be nice to have on a to-go bag or whatever. I've already shown the fabric marking pens that are heat erase. I just want to show them again. They've been the top seller right now. They really work well. They come in 4 colors, blue, white, red, and black. And the white will show up really well on the dark fabrics and irons right off. And they come with refills. Lighted seam ripper, so you press a button and the tip of the seam ripper lights up so you can see on the dark fabrics and dark thread. And if you're always chasing your foot pedal around, this is a great little pad that creates enough little friction so your foot pedal doesn't go chasing all around the floor underneath your machine. But I'm going to show you right now how nicely this seam guide ruler works from Madam Sew. It has in 1/8 inch intervals little drill holes here, so you actually put this side next to your guide over here and the needle in the hole, and you have an exact inch from that hole, exact 1/4 inch from there. So I'm going to show you how it works. It's also a ruler to help trim up your half square triangles, so you can get your half square triangles on there right and trim them off. So if I wanted to get that right on line, I could trim it off. While we're here, I'm going to show you how nice this inexpensive little rotary cutter is. It's got a grippy handle, and when you press the trigger, it releases the guard, and you can push the button in and it holds the guard open. And then when you press the trigger on the other side, it reduces the guard again. So you can do it spring-loaded, or you can do it this route. I'm a lefty, so I'm going to swing this around, because it works either way. So I'm lining up my diagonal on that half square, and it's tall enough. And there we go. We got half square triangle. It's got other marks in it too. So there's a little cross right here. You put that on the edge of your fabric, and it's got the exact right size for the tip of these fabric marking pens. So you can put a 1/4 inch mark at the corner. So you could do 1/4 inch marks at your corner and give yourself a line to either cut or sew on. Some people need all the help they get. So it's a great little pivoting unit for 1/4 inch. And it's got your markings here along the side. So you've got 2.5 inches there and 5.5 inches there for just regular markings. I'm going to show you how it works on the machine. This comes with it. This is a very well-engineered magnetic seam guide. It has one of the new high-tech magnets on it, and then around the magnet has like a grippy. So once the magnet hits the metal, it doesn't move. So I'm going to tip it upside down. I am going to mark this 5/8 of an inch from the needle. That's the old school seam allowance. I'm putting the needle through the 5/8. Lower the foot. And it actually lines up exactly on the 5/8 inch line there on the needle plate. Now this is really cool. It has a little lip on the back side, so when you need to remove it, you'll pull from the back side and remove it. I mean, it has that strong of a magnet to it. Some of the old school magnet guides really don't have that much strength. All right, so now I raise my needle. And now everything I sew is going to be 5/8 of an inch from the edge of that guide. So now I can just sew. And look, I'm sewing on a baby lock. I love this model of baby lock. This particular size of machine has a nice opening. It's light enough to transport, and it does a really good job. You get a lot of money for a lot of bang for the buck. Let's put it that way. It even has a cutter. And I can sell these online if you want, or go to your baby lock dealer for support. They're wonderful machines. This happens to be a Lyric. They make a Presto too, several different ones. So there's my 5/8 inch, and it's going to stay there. That little guide doesn't accidentally bump around. Again, this needs to be always close up your guard. The other thing I was going to show you were the quilting gloves. These are only $4.99. The beauty on these is they're very inexpensive. They're pretty much one size fits all. They have little grippies on the tip of all of the digits, and you get 2 in the pack. My other machine gears and whatever else are at least twice that, if not more. So it's just a good value. This little rotary cutter is only $14.99. So if you're on my Shopify account, just need a couple things to get over that $50 hump so you get free shipping, add some of these things to it. So it's been Bernina Jeff showing you some of my new products and products I think are really good values. And go to my Shopify. It's bernina-jeff.myshopify.com. If you like to talk to a person, you can call at 970-256-1293. We're glad to take an order. And you can check my, give me information on my email. That's jpvlefty@aol.com. If you know how to get the description below, these will be in the description. Thank you much.